Welcome to Cookies with Mia. Today we are going to do a water experiment. Friends, can you make a glass of water upside down but it will not fall? See, I am keeping the water on the bowl. See, it is falling. But how can we do that? To know the magic, how we can keep a glass of water upside down but the water will not fall. Please be with us till the end of the video. Let's start! For doing the magic, we took a glass of water and a blue chart paper. My favorite color is blue. What is your favorite color? Type it in the comment box. To do the magic, our mother will help us. So we taken a chart paper. We'll put it on the glass. To upside down the glass, we'll take our mother's help. So we have take a chart paper and put it on the glass. Now let's make it upside down. Now slowly we will put the hand out of the bottom of the glass. Wow! It's not falling down. Now the water is not falling down. Hooray! Friends, this is not the magic. There is a science behind it. The inside water pressure is equal to the outside air pressure. So that's why it's not falling. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you all. If you like our video, please thumbs up and subscribe for more educational videos and learning tips. Bye, the good kids.